How to start dropshipping as a beginner in 2026. I'm going to show you exactly a step-by-step proven formula that is basically proven to work if you follow it, because we're going to be using dark triad methods that no one is telling you because they don't want you to actually make money. They're just gatekeeping all the knowledge for themselves. So why should I talk about this? Well, my name is Nima. I've been making money online for a long time now. I know exactly what I am talking about. My first business model was e-commerce. I made over 100 grand in my second year. I bought my AMG Mercedes-Benz C43. I bought myself a Rolex. I started traveling the world, and I've done all of this because when I was younger, I was very materialistic and I wanted these things that other people were buying, like these expensive t-shirts and stuff like this, and I couldn't have it and no one else could give it to me, so I was forced to start a business, and the cheapest way to start a business is an online business. So that's what I do on this channel now. I document all the ways I've made money online, and now I'm helping you as a beginner who's working 9 to 5 to get out of your 9 to 5 job, create a business that pays you so you can be anywhere in the world and make money. That's what I currently do. I'm currently in Dubai. Before we get into it, the first link in the description will be a free ebook I've made. It's a free ebook on this course that you're about to learn in this video. It'll break everything down in more detail. If you would like that ebook, that will be the first link in the description. It will absolutely help you. I've put a lot of time and effort into it. It really should be paid. A lot of people have told me I should be charging for it, but I'm giving it to you for free. Don't be lazy. First link in the description. And then in the second link in the description, you will find the 6-figure side hustle, where if you'd like to work with me to get this set up personally, if you're serious about making money online, join the 6-figure side hustle. You will work with me personally and I can absolutely get you making at least $100 per day. The bare minimum is you'll make your money back. The program costs $99. If you want it, it's there. If you don't, no problem. But let's get straight into it. Step number 1 is you want to create yourself a website, somewhere where people can pay you. The fastest and most beginner-friendly way to do this in 2026, 2025 is by using Shopify. I will leave a link to Shopify in the description below. Use that link and you'll get access for only $1, okay? What you want to do is you want to sign up to Shopify. Shopify is a platform that will allow you to build a basic website. If you're someone who has a 9 to 5 job, you will need a website, a business, somewhere where people can pay you while you sleep. If you don't make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So on Shopify, you will sign up, use the link in the description. Once you're on Shopify, on the left-hand side, you will see themes. On the themes section, it will say AI build me a store. You want to just pick any niche. I recommend that you start with the women's accessory niche. The women's accessory niche has made me a whole load of money. Reason being is women love to spend, and also that niche is very profitable because we have low cost, high perceived value items. For example, one of my winning products was a laser hair handset removal. It was costing me like $20 to ship, and I was selling it for over $129.99. So I was making a ridiculous markup. And that was one of the products that when I started selling really changed my life. That's when I started traveling the world because the profit margins were high. Women's accessories is a fantastic niche. So now you've got your Shopify store, you've got your women's accessory store made. Now, we need to find products that other dropshippers are selling. This is where a lot of people go wrong. We are going to use a platform that will show us what other Shopify stores are selling. Now, a big reason why you guys don't make money is because you're trying to find products that you think will sell, you think will popular. It's much easier if you simply steal from someone else. What you want to do is you want to use Sell the Trend to identify what other people are selling. Sell the Trend is an AI integrated tool that will show you all the products that other people are selling. We want to go on Sell the Trend. I will leave a link to Sell the Trend down below. We want to sign up and go to handpicked winners on the left-hand side, and it will show you all the winners AI has picked that other people are selling that are making money. And we want to look for specifically women's accessories. The reason why I say women's accessories is because it's almost a guarantee to make money, and the money you will make, you'll be high profit margins, because women like to spend more because they're emotionally triggered by expensive things, which is why like Hermes and LV can sell $10,000 bags. Go to Sell the Trend, go on handpicked winners, start looking for some women's accessories that you can sell, my friend. Populate our store with a few of these products. On Sell the Trend, you can download the Chrome extension and you can directly import these products to your store. On Sell the Trend, you will also see and also have many different suppliers. So if one supplier is not good, you'll have 4 to 5 suppliers. Sell the Trend is great because it'll show you all the suppliers for that specific product. Not only does it give you the product that you can sell, it also gives you a whole bunch of suppliers behind it. So you don't have to worry about dealing with dodgy suppliers, poor customer service suppliers. On Sell the Trend, you will have everything you need. So now that we have our website, we have somewhere where people can pay us on Shopify. We now have Sell the Trend and we've populated our store with winning products. Now we just need traffic. All traffic is people aware of what we have to offer. If you look at shopping malls, the people walking through the middle of the mall are people who are likely to buy products in that mall. And that is the mall's traffic. And that's what we need for our online store. We need people coming to the store. Not everyone coming to our website is going to buy. That's fine. But if we convert at least 2%, meaning for every 100 people that visit your store, you make 2 sales, that's a good conversion rate. That's the average conversion rate. My conversion rate is over 10%, but that's because I've been doing this for a long time. But the average conversion rate for a Shopify store is 2 sales. So for every 100 people, if you make 2 sales, you know if you haven't made any sales, you just need to get another 100 people to your website. For our traffic, we are going to be using Facebook ads. Facebook ads is very powerful. Why is Facebook ads powerful? Because as soon as you launch a Facebook ad, it will put your product in front of real people who are really interested in buying your product. I recommend, before we continue in this video, that you join the 6-Figure Side Hustle. It's the second link in the description. People inside have already had fantastic results. Really recommend you join it. It's only $99 and I have a refund guarantee. If you're not happy, I'll refund you anyway. I'm that confident you will love it, okay? So it's there if you want it, but the first link in the description is my ebook, but I recommend you start with the ebook. And then if you're really serious, you just want to go guns blazing and work with me, 6-Figure Side Hustle is there for you as well. Traffic is with Facebook ads. Now what we want to do is we want to go to facebookadsmanager.com and we want to set up a Facebook business account. Once you've set up your Facebook business account, you want to make it under the name of your Shopify store. So if it's womensaccessories.com, on your Facebook Ads Manager, create a page called womensaccessory.com. That's the page we are going to advertise from. And then what we're going to do is we are going to go to campaigns. You are going to have your campaign, you are going to have your ad set, and you are going to have your ad. The campaign is really simple. The campaign is just an objective of what we are trying to achieve. In this case, for our objective, we are trying to achieve sales. You don't want to do add to cart, you don't want to do brand awareness, you don't want to do these other things these other gurus are telling you. Facebook will do exactly what you tell it. If you optimize for add to cart, meaning you select add to cart as your objective, Facebook will just find people who are likely to add their product to the shopping basket and never check out. So you're going to attract window shoppers. We want to optimize for purchases. You want to put your objective as purchase conversion. Put your objective as purchase conversion. What will happen is Facebook will then take your product and look for people who have bought something on Facebook before, because then they're much more likely to buy from you. That's the campaign objective. Put it as purchase. Don't touch anything else. Moving on to your ad set, this is your demographic of who you are going to target. For the interest, you're going to put women's accessories. That's it. Women's accessories or accessories. That's it. You want to keep your targeting very broad because Facebook knows more about yourself than you know about yourself. I know that sounds weird, but Facebook tracks everything with a pixel. It tracks customer behavior, it tracks everything people do online, on Google and everything. When you give it a massive database of customers, it can go in that ocean and look for the fish that are likely to bite. So when you give it an audience of like 10 million, it will go inside that 10 million and it will have so many people it can scan and put your product in front of. It will put your product in front of this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, and it will try to find who's likely to take the bait. Once you do make a sale, it then becomes easier to make a sale. Facebook will take the customer demographic of that person that bought from you and it will find other people who are like that person. And that's why normally with Facebook, when you make one sale, it's easier to make another and make another because your pixel is tracking all the information of your customer. For your ad set, you want to keep your ages between 18 to 65. You want your budget at $20 per day and you want to have a very broad interest. That for your ad set, and then you want to let it run for 3 days. And for 3 days, if it's made no sales, you turn it off. If it has made sales, you leave it running. You increase your budget slowly every 3 days by 20%, and you keep increasing the traffic to your page to make more and more sales. So your campaign now we've covered is your purchases. Ad set, you keep it broad, 18 to 25, $20 ad budget. And for your ad, this is the ad that people are gonna see. For your ad, for that specific product that we have, you want to go back to Sell the Trend, click generate me a video. So AI will actually make the video of that ad for you. So it will make you a nice video. That's it. All you have to do is upload it and then people will see your ad. Now, for the primary text, you want to put an offer. People need a reason to buy now. So you want to say, hey, Q4 sale, 50% off, buy now. Another reason why you guys should start your dropshipping stores right now, we are in the shopping season. There's no perfect time to start a business, but if there was, now would be the most convenient because people are likely to buy whatever it is you're offering because people are in holiday mode, in shopping mode. We've got Christmas, we've got Black Friday, all this great stuff. So make sure you get involved right here, right now. If you want to take part, join the 6-Figure Side Hustle. You will work with me and my other students, and I guarantee I can help you make a business that makes money. For your ad, you will use Sell the Trend. You will generate a video ad with AI, and then you'll have the primary text as 50% off buy now. That's it. You want to leave it very short because people don't buy from words. People buy from videos and pictures. Words don't really sell. You just want to put 50% off buy now, and then in the bottom, you want to put free shipping and have the ad, and then you want to have a shop now button. And when people click the shop now button, you want to put the link to your product page, not your website, your product page for that exact product. So when people click it, it goes directly to your product page and people can then buy. And that is the game in a nutshell. That's all you got to do now. All you got to do is rinse and repeat this process until you find a winning product. Maybe you find the winning product on your first go and you get lucky. Maybe you find a winning product on your 5th go. But everyone is different. Now, obviously, if you work with me one-to-one, you'll find the winning product quicker because I'll be able to spot your mistake. But if you go out alone, it's just a matter of numbers. The more products you test, the more likely you will find something that works. Ultimately, it's about getting the right product in front of the right people and you will make money. If you're a beginner and you haven't made any money online, start with this business model. It's absolutely fantastic. All the links you need to start this business are in the description below. The first link, like I said, will be my free ebook on this subject that you can get. Second link will be 6-figure side hustle. And then for Sell the Trend and Shopify, if you want discounts, I'll put them further down in the description box below so you can get this started. I've had people watch my free YouTube videos, make money. I've had loads of people inside 6-figure side hustle quit their 9-to-5 jobs and make money and travel the world. There's some screenshots on the scene. But I know it works because I've been doing this for a long time now, and that is how I recommend you get started. Traditional dropshipping doesn't work. You need to use AI to steal from people who are making money, change it slightly for yourself, put these ads up online, get people to your page, you will make money. It's been your boy Nima the Machine. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video.